Hi, it's Dollmas Day 11. Happy holidays. 11. All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Playful Reborns. Today is Cheeky Monkey Mondays. Ooh, I got it right.
You finally did.
I got it right. Now, wait, we still got the video. I might. Well, I'm not gonna think about it, and then I won't get it wrong. Hi, Zandy. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, you so excited, huh? Why you so excited? Look at you looking all cute. Where you get those? Wait. Is she going to sleep on me
She
again?
falling asleep on you.
Why does she keep going to sleep on me?
I don't know, but her outfit matches her eyes.
Oh, look at you. You got your little green Christmas. So Zandy is our Dollmas Christmas doll today because Zandy has on a Christmas outfit. Really nice, Zandy. I like your little hat. I like your little jacket. And you got on a little plaid dress. Well, you're looking sharp. I like that. That's cute. What's she doing?
I don't know. That sounds like a heartbeat. Remember?
Zandy.
Never figured it out.
What? So where'd you get this nice outfit from, Zandy? Where you get this from? If she doesn't quit going to sleep on me, Zandy, I got your favorite person over here. You gonna talk to him? I see you looking up at him. You gonna talk to him? Yeah. Wait, what you gonna say to him? Huh?
Happy Cheeky Monkey Monday.
Yeah. Andy. You got a heartbeat for us, Andy. So, what do you want to talk about? Huh? Huh, Zandy? Yeah, they feel good. You got a what in your coat? Earrings. Oh, you wanna put these on? Okay. Okay, I can put these on for you. Don't go to sleep while I put them on, Zandy. Please don't. Don't go to sleep on me. You got to give me time to put the earrings on. I'm not going that slow. I am not going that slow, sweetie. Just hang on a minute. I'll get these earrings on for you. And where you get these cute little earrings from? You just all dressed up. You going to a party or something? Oh, that's cute. I like that, Zandy. Let's turn around and we'll put your other one on. You like it too? Okay. I'll put the other one on for... Oh, you all excited. Okay. Let's put the other one on. Oh, you really got to give me time to get the earring on, Zandy. There you go. Now you got both of your little... Oh, look at you. You look cute. Look at that, guys. Zandy with the earrings. Okay. Oh, she really looks good now. Okay. You looking real cute. See if we can zoom up on that so everybody can see your little earrings you got on. There you go. There she goes. Whoops. Okay, now let's zoom back out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is this little package you got here, Zandy? You want to open up your little package? You want to open up your little package? Do you? She's like, I'll just put my thumb in here. Put your thumb in your mouth. Is that the thumb that goes in there? Or is it the...
They're both the same.
Oh, they're both going there. Okay, here you go.
One at a time.
We're going to open up this here little package here Zandy got. I don't know what you got here, Zandy, but we'll open it up and see what you got. Okay. What in the world? Oh, yeah, you see what I see? I hope that's not what's in here.
Surprise!
Right? Okay, so we seeing what Zandy's got. What Zandy bought us here today. What you got here? You have.
Use the scissors.
Oh, I forgot. Forgot the scissors were even over here.
There you go.
Okay, Zandy. Okay, let's see here. It's awfully tiny, Zandy. No world. Oh, Zandy, you brought your little bottle. Okay, here you go. I don't know if that you can you hold that? Or you need help with that? You over here cracking up. Zandy here. Here's Zandy. Zandy's got a little bottle of, what is this, orange juice? You got orange juice, Zandy? Bananas? Okay, so Zandy has a bottle of, looks like banana juice.
Banana orange juice.
Banana orange juice. Is that what you got, Zandy? Okay. Look at you. So you got your ears pierced, got on your cute little Christmas outfit, and you got banana orange juice? Okay. That is insane. That's real interesting, Zandy. Real interesting. Okay, well, you go drink your juice. Don't let me interrupt you. That was a nice little gift you got yourself, Zandy. You want to go to sleep while you're drinking that? So you wanna tell us where you got your cute little Christmas outfit here from? Where'd you get your cute little Christmas? Where'd you get this from? Oh, Zandy, you're just so precious. You're so precious. Do your legs stand up? Oh, you can stand your little legs up. Okay, well, let's stand you up then. Really? Zandy, you cannot stand up and go to sleep. Come on now. You can't stand up and go to sleep. I love your Christmas. What? I love your Christmas outfit. This is so pretty. Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get this little Christmas outfit from? Can she actually stand up? I guess she can stand up. She really can stand up.
Oh, heck. There you go.
Huh? That's it. Zandy, you sleep a little bit too much. Come on now, Zandy. Wake up. What? Does her head naturally turn that way?
Looks like it.
It's been that way the whole time? You want some more of your drink? This is too cute. Well, Zandy, do you want to take your coat and your hat off and sit down and chill and stay a little while? Would you like to take your hat and coat off? Let's take your coat off so you can relax. Yeah, you gotta relax. Oh, I don't know if I can get this hand off with your juice here. I'm trying not to. Okay, your juice is still on your hand. There you go. Now, would you like to take your hat off? You want to take your hat off, Zandy? Oh, that's cute. You even got your little tail sticking out the back. Okay. So you're looking ready for Christmas. Okay, want to take your hat off too? Oh, look at you. You got a little bow up there. Now, you're going to have to quit going to sleep, Zandy. You really gonna have to quit falling asleep. Let's fix your sleeve. You got one sleeve up and one sleeve down. This one is nicely down, but this one is up. Did you borrow this from one of your little friends? Oh, I dropped your juice. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I dropped your little juice. Were you done with it? That's funny. Little Zandy. I'm gonna help Zandy drink her juice, guys. Oh, she likes it. Okay. Wait a minute. Now you're not asleep that quick. Come on now, wake up. You can't go to sleep. You have people here. Well, I'm coughing. You okay? You okay, Zandy? There you go.
She was back asleep again.
Is she sleeping a lot because she's sick?
Could be.
Zandy, you got cold. You got cold, sweetie. You look so cute. I'm telling you, you look adorable. You look really adorable. Your little juice bottle. That's actually glass too. We're gonna have to be careful with that little bottle. You want your juice back? It is glass, isn't it? Okay, here you go. There you go, Zandy. Aren't you big enough to hold your own bottle, though? Well, guys, this is Zandy today for Cheeky Monkey Monday. She is all ready for Christmas, so this might be her Christmas outfit until December. Oh, it's already December.
Until the 25th.
I'm not even erasing that. This might be her Christmas outfit that she wears until Christmas Day. She probably won't get changed again because this is a Christmas one, and it's kind of hard to find her definitely an outfit. And she looks so cute in it.
Yes, she does.
And we decided to just keep her name Zandy so that it's no confusion. But does it end in Y or IE?
However you want to spell it there.
Which
one?
one?
With a Y.
Okay, so her name is Zandy, Zandy, with the Y on the end. And she
Zandy,
is...
You got Pandy back there.
Her name's not Pandy. We're not going... I'm not even going to stress myself out about it. Now, Zandy here says that she can be fashionable along with the little baby. So, Zandy... This is Zandy Fashionista. That's a middle name. Zandy Fashionista. You get it?
Yeah.
You like that, Zandy? See? She like it. Zandy, you want to wave bye to the people? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. So while Zandy tries to go back to sleep, we will say our goodbyes. Thank you for watching. This was Cheeky Monkey Mondays at our Cherubs.
Very good.
Bye-bye now. Bye.